Lesson 8.1 Pipeline Concept. Open it from the free Verilog curriculum. I opened the free Verilog curriculum, click into this lesson and wait for the docs pane to load. The lesson loads and the docs on the right become our guide. You will connect a pipeline stage register on the sum path. Register the combination sum, simulate latency, confirm pass. Pipelining inserts registers so logic can run at a higher clock. Latency grows by 1 cycle per stage. Throughput can rise. Here sum R captures A plus B on the clock edge. Combinational adding to a registered sum R stage. Your TODO is the sum R's array input connection. Fill sum R less equal A plus B from golden, then Ctrl S. Those edits are in. Next we open simulation, press run and check the log for pass. Open simulation and press run. The log shows the 1 cycle delayed sum, then pass. In Surfer, right-click the TP scope and add the signals. Surfer inputs change, sum R updates 1 clock later. Yosys shows the other, feeding flip-flops. Open the circuit schematic to see the synthesized netlist. Review combo math, then a key-in register boundary. The test bench accounts for the extra cycle of latency. That is pipeline concept. See you in the next lesson.